phone. What's up? Oh, I'm gonna get my earphones. When you walk, these are the best thing to have. These are the best thing to have right now because I'm not sure I've got it turned off yet. Because like when you walk, um, these are good for the ambient sound, like it blocks the sound. But I don't recommend wearing both because then you can't hear the cars or something like that. But you can wear one, have have great sound. So I decided to walk over here today to the Target, drink coffee. Some coffee and just relax. Because I've been working 5 to was it 5 to 10:30 yesterday.